My favorite theorem would have to be the classification of compact surfaces. This says that if you take any sort of world that Pac-Man can live on, so it's something where it's flat, so if you zoom in really close and look around, it looks flat, like the Earth does. But if you zoom out, maybe there's some interesting curvature or some interesting holes or things like this. Like the surface of a donut is an example of these. If you zoom into a donut and you were a tiny, tiny ant on a donut and you looked around, it would look flat. But you could actually like walk in one direction of a donut and then come back to where you started. There's a classification of what these kinds of surfaces can be, and you can write it down in like one line. It's either a sphere or the surface of a donut with some number of holes, or something that looks like a Klein bottle and a bunch of Klein bottles glued together. And it's something that when you start playing around with these, it's just like you feel like there's no hope of any kind of order or classification in here. But suddenly when you work through these and just out of this chaotic landscape, you get this very beautiful, organized catalog of these surfaces. And it's the theorem that made me go into mathematics. Yeah.